charges dropped against Dumi murder co-accused. Charges against one of the men accused of killing City actor Dumi Masilela were provisionally withdrawn in the Benoni Magistrate's Court on Tuesday. Prosecutor Pheello Maleleka told the court he received an instruction from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to provisionally withdraw charges against Solomon Mukhuba. Maleleka said there was insufficient evidence linking Mukhuba to the case. However, the case against Mukhuba's co-accused, Sifundo Nkosi and Bongani Masombuka, is to continue. Nkosi turned himself over to police a few days after Masilela was murdered, after he discovered that Masombuka had been arrested. The men have been charged with murder as well as attempted hijacking. 29-year-old Masilela died in August after the occupants of a black Jeep shot at him. The actor and former professional football player was hit once, but managed to drive himself to hospital where he underwent surgery. However, he died later that day. The case has been postponed to December 8 for further investigation.